Launching new products but struggling to keep up with content marketing? Here's how to automatically generate SEO-optimized WordPress blog posts for every new Shopify product using AI. No more writer's block or content delays. Every time you add a new product to Shopify, this workflow triggers instantly. Next, we fetch complete product information to give the AI maximum context about features, benefits, and positioning for creating relevant, accurate content. The AI creates an SEO-friendly blog title under 60 characters that's compelling and click-worthy. It follows your brand voice and avoids generic marketing fluff, focusing on what makes your product unique. Then, AI writes a complete blog post with hero intro, scannable subheads, feature benefit bullets, and FAQ section. Everything is structured for readability and SEO, saved as a draft in WordPress ready for your review. Never miss a content opportunity again. Launch products faster, maintain consistent blogging, and attract qualified traffic automatically. So get MESA, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one, or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.